Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and account. Sign into YouTube Studio as the channel owner, then upload or pick the video you'll subtitle. Make sure the audio is clear and the primary language is set in details, because automatic captions depend on that setting. Once done, save changes and go to the Subtitles tab. YouTube will often queue automatic transcript generation within minutes for supported languages. If you're testing, set visibility to private so drafts aren't public. Next, open the Subtitles section and find the automatic caption track labeled Automatic for that language. Click Edit to review the transcript and timestamps, play short segments, correct misheard words, and tighten timing to match speech. Use keyboard shortcuts to jump between segments and bulk adjust start/end times for long exchanges. Also replace brand names or technical jargon the model mistranscribed, because better source text improves downstream translations when you enable additional languages. Finally, enable additional languages by adding subtitle tracks. Pick a language, then use YouTube's Translate feature or upload translated SRT files you prepared. Once translated tracks are added, set them live and verify display during playback. If you prefer crowdsourcing, enable community contributions but moderate submissions. Export the final captions as SRT for backup or batch edits. Troubleshooting tip: if captions aren't generated, confirm audio quality and language setting, then reprocess by toggling the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.